So this video is all about the Innova's grease syringe. We've had a number of people ask questions about greasing their machines and when they would need this. This is available on our website, Quilts on the Corner, for $8. So if you do need one, it's easily available. It's simple. All we're gonna do is loosen the screws at the faceplate and remove the front of the Innova's lightning stitch. We're just gonna set it out of the way. And now what we have is a clear view on the inside of the machine. And there are 3 points that we need to be aware of. The first one is right here. And you can see that there is already grease there. It's mostly full and it's packed in tightly. The second location is right here. And you can see this slit is not full of grease. And I'll try and get a better angle. And that there is room for more grease to be put in. And so when you put the grease in with the syringe, all you're gonna do is insert the tip into the location you want to grease and then pull it out a little and use your finger to press down to kind of pack that grease in and clean up around the outside. The last location is right here. It's a little hole, and you can see from this image that there's not any grease in there right now. And you would put the tip of the grease in, and as you squeeze the grease out, you'll pull out slightly so you fill from the back to the front. And you want to make sure that all 3 locations are full. Most people only need to grease their machine about once a year, maybe even not that. It's based on how much you use your machine. So we recommend at Quilts on the Corner that if you use your machine heavily, occasionally you check inside and look at those 3 points to see how they look. Most customers use about a year between greasing. It's a simple maintenance that anybody can do at their own home. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us or call.